PSA, do you have a document? Because the date of birth of Mr. Rudingo and jives with the records of the BI and personal, yung physical ni Rudingo is also confirmed by the NBI. Do you have a record of Mr. Rudingo? Have you submitted to the committee?
Please submit a copy, PSA to
Pakicheck ko lang po. Mayroon ka ngayon. Please submit. But
Please submit to the
please
committee,
confirm lang.
PSA.
Date of birth of Mr. Rudingo is 14 February 1978. Okay. Place of birth is
Manila po.
Manila. And the middle name of Mr. Rudingo is
Guevara.
who are those? Who are the parents of Mr. Rudingo?
The parents are Matilde Guevara and Lion Ngo.
Lion Ngo. Have you established the citizenship of a certain Lion Ngo?
He is a Chinese based on the birth certificate, Your Honor.
Chinese. While the spouse
mother-
of Lion Ngo is
The mother is a Filipino po.
Filipino. So Manila, then 14th February 1978, confirmed.
Confirm, Your Honor.
Ano siya? Late registration?
Wait po. 1970. And it appears that this is a timely registered. It's 1978. Registered in 1978, Your Honor.
So 1978. That record is from LCR, Manila.
Endorsed by the Manila Civil Registrar.
Okay, so nanay niya Pilipina. Okay. Now, again, Mr. Chairman, so it was already confirmed by NBI and confirmed by BID and of course the PSA. Please submit na lang po yung record niya. Again, NBI at saka BID, paki-ano lang po. Kasi kahit establish, no, na Mr. Rudingo is indeed a Filipino citizen, but yung transaction between Willie Ong, which is now positive of this house, he was issued a contempt order and ang travel record niya for us, for the record, ang travel record niya from the BID is nakalabas na po ng bansa. So may problema po yung Mr. Rudingo since he transacted and of course, yung position dyan ng Solgen, no, tsaka DOJ, parang, tsaka nung LRA, no, kaya kailangan nating baguhin siguro. We have to legislate law na hindi pwede yun, no? Because, well, in fact, Mr. Rudingo, before he bought that property, alam niya na na that person, Willie Ong, is a subject of this investigation, especially drugs. No? Yeah, Mr. Chairman, kaya kahit Filipino siya, he has to attend this committee hearing. Now, let me proceed, Mr. Chairman, with unahin ko na po muna si Kapitan Bautista ng Kapitan Bautista, what's your first name?
Good afternoon po, Your Honor. Ramonito po, Ramonito.
Ramonito. Your barangay?
San Jose Malino po, Mexico.
San Jose Malino,
Mexico, Pampanga.
Mexico, Pampanga. This is now your first term, last term, second term?
Second term po.
Second term, comebacking.
Opo, Your Honor.
So, second term mo, natapos mo yung 3 terms mo.
Bali, second term ko lang po ito.
Second term.
Opo, Your Honor.
Okay. Anyway, your name was mentioned because though you denied. Now, before I proceed with a specific question, I would just like to remind you, no? You said that lie because, ano ka na sa akin? Strike 2 ka na. Alam mo bakit? Because when you were invited and you were asked to be excused during that hearing, previous hearing, sabi mo po, nagpadala ka dito ng excuse letter because of your medical condition. Pero nandun ka po. Nanood ng basketball championship. Do you confirm that you are indeed present? Sabi ko sa iyo, don't lie because strike 2 ka na.
Bali po, the other day po noon, mayroon po akong check-up. Kaya medyo, die-hard po kasi ako ng basketball. Pinilit ko pong nanood.
Ba't pinili mong dumalo doon, manood sa basketball kaysa pumunta sa hearing? And your basis or your reason to be excused is that may problema ka medical. So you're lying.
Sorry po, Your Honor. Kasi po, the other day, meron po akong check-up kasi 2 weeks lang po akong na-opera.
And then, but you confirm that you watch the championship game between Pampanga at saka San Juan?
Opo,
You
Your
confirm?
Honor. Opo, Your Honor.
Oh, kita mo? Oh, yan ha. Strike 2 ka na sa akin. No? Strike 2 ka na. Now, eto ngayon, tatanungin kita diretso. Huwag na tayo ipaabot kasi may mga dokumento rin kaming hawak. Baka ma-strike 3 ka, pasensyahan po tayo. Baka i-move na naman ni Chairman Acop na you will be contempt. You will be cited in contempt and you will be detained not in Bikutan, but in Quezon City Jail. O, diretsong pagkatanong, do you have any transaction with Mr. Willie Ong? Whatever transaction.
Your Honor, 3 months ago po, nag-submit ako ng affidavit kay Chairman po. Lahat po ng sinadbit ko doon, pawang katotohanan po.
In your...
Barangay. Nagbid po ako, pinabid po nila.
ito nga, ito na naman, tao sa barangay, nagbid ka, so you deny talking with Willie Ong. You deny now that you do not know Mr. Willie Ong kasi yung tao sa barangay kumausap sa iyo.
Hindi po, Your Honor. Nung una po, sinabi ko na nagbit kami ni Mr. Willie Ong sa barangay nung kumukuha sila ng barangay business permit po dun sa mga warehouse niya.
So you meet personally Mr. Willie Ong.
Opo, Your Honor.
So the picture of Mr. Willie Ong was shown to you and you confirmed that indeed that person, the picture is Mr. Willie Ong.
Opo, Your Honor.
Confirm na. So confirm na rin na yung lumabas na Willie Ong is that Willie Ong that this is subject of this investigation, BID. BID, do you confirm, BID, that the subject person in this investigation was the one confirmed by Barangay Captain Bautista?
I'm sorry, Your Honor, because from what I recall during the other committee hearing, the name Willie Ong does not actually exist, but the name is a Chinese name. I don't have the file right now because it's in the other committee, Your Honor.
Of course, you have records with that Chinese person,
Yes, Your Honor.
and the Chinese person in one of the hearings was not yet confirmed by Barangay Captain Bautista. If that indeed the Willie Ong subject to this investigation.
I can't recall him confirming, Your Honor.
Pakiano lang po yung can you make it today before we adjourn? Ano lang po, kahit picture lang po. Then we will just show it to Barangay Captain if indeed that
Yes, sir.
Chinese with a Chinese passport was or it is indeed Mr. Willie Ong.
Yes, we'll try to retrieve it, Your Honor.
Thank you. NBI, yung Willie Ong na hinanap natin, ano yung investigation nyo?
Sir, we're still looking for Willie Ong, Mr. Chairman.
Oh, but did you coordinate with BID? Kasi baka hinanap natin, wala na talaga, totoong wala na.
Yes, we did. We coordinated with BID.
So what's the report of BID to you, NBI?
We were furnished with a copy of the travel records and the passports.
So the passports and travel records. You have it in your possession now?
No, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, anyway, BID, paki-ano na lang po. Paki-produce na lang.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Para ipa-confirm ko lang dito kay Kapitan. Kasi baka ma-strike dito eh. Kapitan, so you confirm now that you have met personally Willie Ong and you are the one who contracted that building in front of that warehouse in where the Shabu was recovered.
Hindi po warehouse yung pinabid sa akin, yung pong commercial.
Hindi nga, ang
Sarap
sinasabi
po.
ko, okay, Tagalogin ko na Ilonggo yung Ang sinasabi ko na yung warehouse, hindi nga sa'yo, pero ikaw nagpatayo nung commercial.
Opo, Your
building.
Honor. Pinabid po kasi yun na bali, nagpasok po ako ng quotation, tapos ang inaalala ko po kasi maraming walang trabaho sa barangay namin.
Hindi, wag ka na mag-explain. Ang tinatanong ko lang, do you confirm na indeed ikaw ang nagpatayo nun ng commercial? Ikaw ang gumawa.
Opo, ako ako po yung gumawa.
Ikaw ang gumawa.
Po sa commercial.
Oh, ikaw rin ang nagbigay, of course, ng barangay clearance for Mr. Williong.
Doon po sa nila, doon sa warehouse nila nung kumuha.
Sino nga ang
sila.
conduit mo doon? Sino nga ang conduit pala ni Mr. Williong?
Meron po siyang secretary.
Ano is that secretary?
Nakalimutan ko.
Pangalan?
Nakalimutan ko na po. yung
Inchik,
pangalan.
Pilipina?
Pilipina po, taga Cabanatuan.
O taga Kabanatuan? O please, kaya mo naman siguro matandaan yan, di ba? Yung pangalan niya, within the day.
Parang patingin ko po doon sa records nila.
O,
doon sa
check
barangay.
mo sa record mo kasi unless yung barangay mo napakaluwag, siyempre pag pumasok yung dyan, guest or those people wants to apply, nakalagin yan, di ba?
Yes po, Your Honor.
O di paki-check mo, before the next hearing, dapat may submit na yan sa committee.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Okay. So after that, that was how many times kayo nagkita ni Williong?
Bali po, Your Honor, nung po na nila yung drugs, after 3 days po ata, tumawag yung secretary niya. Ngayon, nagpupilit po silang pumunta sa bahay ko. Meron silang kasamang list of contract daw po, Chinese, na nakipag-meet po sa akin sa bahay. Ang ginawa ko po,
Ano yung purpose nun?
bali po ang ginawa ko, 1 kilometer away lang po si Vice Mayor namin. Tinawag ko po siya para makapagtanong. Ang purpose po nila, meron po silang kasamang Chinese na babae, meron daw po silang lease contract na awak. Pero ang sabi ko po, sana pag nag-invite po yung committee, darating sila. Umuo naman po sila kaso walang dumating na Williong dito.
So may kasamang Chinese for a lease contract.
Opo, Your Honor.
Lease contract dun sa
Inaano po nila na meron, bali pinapakita po nila yung lease contract dun sa bodega nila na meron nag-aarkila dun sa nila, nagre-renta. Sa bodega po nila na nakuha na ng drugs.
harap mo rin
Kaso
yung
po, yung babaeng nag-explain, hindi po marunong mag-English. Ngayon po, sabi ni Billy Ong, pupunta na lang kami sa hearing para makapag-explain kami, sabi pong ganun.
So yung in short, parang lumalabas na yung babae, siya yung nagre-rent.
Hindi po, siya po ang nakikipag-communicate dun sa nag-rent, na Chinese din daw po yung nag-rent.
Pero the Chinese na nag-rent hindi pumunta sa iyo. Hindi mo nakaharap.
Hindi ko po nakarap.
Willie Ong lang at saka sekretary niya.
Opo.
Okay. So you never met any Chinese personality except sa kay Willie Ong?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Wala. Okay. Yung permit sa barangay, doon sa bodega,
Yung ano po kasi ng engineering, pag nagtatayo sila ng building, kukuha po muna sila ng clearance, tapos doon nila lalakarin yung building permit sa engineering office po sa munisipyo.
Obo. Municipal engineer. Do you confirm?
Yes po, may building permit po, Your Honor.
Ha?
Yes po, Your Honor, may building permit po yung warehouses
Okay.
po tsaka yung commercial.
Kapitan. Dali. So, your first term was 2018.
Yes.
Tama?
Opo, Your Honor.
Previous to that, kagawad ka o kapitan? Kagawad ka?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Hindi. So, sino yung pinalitan mo?
Si Reynaldo Cortez po.
Reynaldo Cortez. That was 2017.
Opo, Your Honor.
Okay. 2018, you were elected as barangay captain.
Opo, Your Honor.
Okay. Are you familiar with that property? Etong bodega,
Ang alam ko lang po doon yung Ines Tumang, yung Bernardo Ines Tumang. Yun lang po ang alam kong lupa doon.
so yung lupa na yan is owned by Ines Tumang.
Opo, Your Honor.
So you confirm that that property is owned by Ines Tumang.
Opo, Your Honor.
Okay. Now, Mr. Chairman, kaya ko tatayin to kay former Mayor Teddy Tumang at saka kay Alex. Gusto ko lang balikan ulit. No? Kap, relax muna ka pa. Babalikan kita kasi may gusto akong i-confirm pa.
Opo, Your Honor. Salamat
Okay,
po.
plus yung sa LRA. Sa LRA. Now, Mr. Chairman, on record, it was confirmed by Barangay Captain that indeed that property was owned by the spouses Bernardo and Ines Tumang, Evangelista. Si Kapitan, si Bernardo ba, kilala mo?
Opo, Your Honor.
Okay.
Patay na po yun.
In your recollection, kailan siya namatay?
Hindi ko na po alam. Although kapitbahay ko po dati.
Hindi nga, tatanungin na kita. Anong taon?
Mga 90s po siguro.
90s pa?
Opo.
90s ha? So in short,
Hindi po ako sigurado pero ang
hindi, okay. Tatanungin kita, kung 90s, sigurado ka naman, hindi naman siguro 2001.
wala na po.
Before.
Hindi ko na po ma-recall yan.
Hindi nga.
Opo.
Ulit,
Opo.
you said, sabi mo, 90s, namatay. Okay? 90s ha? Now, in short, kung 90s ang pagkatanda mo, sigurado ka na hindi 2001. Pakyat. Tama?
Wala po akong nalista doon sa date ng pagkamatay pero ang alam ko po 90s. Yun.
Kaya nga 90s.
Opo.
Okay. Now, 90s. Namatay. So, nung namatay 90s, ang pagkaalam mo, pagmamayari pa rin ito ni Bernardo at saka ni Ines.
Opo, Your Honor.
Tama?
Opo, Your Honor.
Okay. Now, Mr. Chairman, eto may problema. Kasi kung namatay yung Bernardo at saka Ines, 90s, kahit sabihin pa natin 2015, siguro naman, Kapitan, siguro di 2015, kapitbahay mo eh. Kasi kung 2015, matandaan mo yun, di ba?
Hindi ko na po ma-recall.
Okay, sige, eto na lang. Di ba kapitbahay mo yan?
Opo. Opo, Your Honor.
Ang pagkatanda mo, namatay siya, magkapitbahay kayo nung namatay siya.
Opo, Your Honor.
O di, sigurado na hindi 2015 naman, hindi 2017. Kasi 2015, that was only 9 years ago. 2017, that was 7 years ago. 2019, that was 5 years ago. Matagal na, di ba? Tama?
Ang pagkaalam ko po kasi, Your Honor, yung bahay ng father ko, pinarenovate year 2000. Ang alam ko po, patay na nun.
O, patay na. O, yan, eksakto. Now, PSA, do you have a record of the spouses Bernardo and Ines Tumang? Kahit date of birth at saka death. O, ASAP pa? Paki na lang po, ASAP. Okay, LRA. LRA, are you familiar with the transaction between Mr. Alex Tumang, Roy Gomez, Teddy Tumang with Willie Ong?
Yes, Your Honor, we already submitted the documents relative
Oh.
to the transaction.
Now, eto, Mr. Chairman, special power of attorney for Mr. Teddy Tumang. Do you have a copy of that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, what was the date?
It appears to have been notarized on
Patay na.
April 10, 2019, Your Honor.
April 10, 2019, and the transaction between Teddy Tumang, Roy Gomez, and Alex Tumang when?
The deed of sale was executed on May 21, 2019, Your Honor.
Oh, so April 10 is PA. Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then May 21, selling.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Chairman, paano makapag-execute ng SPA itong namatay na nung that was siguro 15 years ago? Oh, Alex Tumang. Oh, how will you answer this? Eto, kinonfirm na ni Kapitan, ha? Kinonfirm pa ni Kinonfirm pa ni LRA. Kinonfirm din ngayon. Pinapakonfirm ko pa sa PSA. Oh, what can you say about it? Because you're part of this transaction and your brother, former Mayor Tumang, told this committee.
Good afternoon, Mr. Chair. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Pakilapit na lang po ng mic.
Mr. Chair, regarding dun sa property, based dun sa mga records ko kahit yung mga taga San Jose Malino, 2 parsela po, hindi lang po iisa yung may-ari. Yung nasa left side, katapat po ng gasoline station at ginawang commercial building ni Engineer Bong, ang kapitan ng barangay San Jose Malino, tama po kay Bernardo Evangelista, married to Ines Tumang. Ngayon, yung nasa right side, nakadugtong ng property na bili ni Willie Ong, pag-aari po ni Carmelino Tuason. Na nabili.
Okay, sige. I will give you the benefit of the doubt of your argument. LRA, please check. LRA, please check the statement of Alex Tumang if indeed he's telling the truth. Now, Mr. Alex Tumang, ayan yung defense mo. But you cannot defend this because Ines and Bernardo Tumang issued as SPA to your brother, and your brother is telling this committee in the last hearing na sa'yo, na ikaw daw ang nagtransaksyon ito with Roy Gomez. Now, ang sinasabi ko dito is, patay na po, how can a dead person issue an SPA? Ayun yung tanong ko. Huwag muna tayo mag-engage doon sa kung alin sa property na yon. Just a question of this SPA.
Mr. Chair, wala po akong kinalaman doon sa SPA. Ang nangyari po doon, tinawag po ako ng former Mayor Teddy Tumang na kung ibebenta ko yung lupa na nabili ko, sabi ko, oo, ibebenta ko. Sinong pwedeng makausap? Tawagan ko si Erning dahil siya ang nakikialam niyan. Si Ernesto, yung anak po ni Bernardo Evangelista.
Pero ang question
wala
nga,
po akong pangalan doon sa SPA at wala din po akong pangalan doon sa deed of sale.
correct, that's correct. But during the previous hearing, you never denied it when Teddy Tumang told this committee na ikaw. Kahit si Roy Gomez, when Roy Gomez was asked about it,
Wala po akong nalalaman na sinabi nila na kasama po ako doon sa SPA.
ay wag ka magsinungaling, Mr. Alex. They never told us that you're part of the SPA. Wala kang pangalan dito. But during that hearing, your brother, former Mayor Teddy Tumang, ikaw ang tinuro.
Wala
Now,
po akong nalalaman na ako po tinuro doon sa ano po.
So you're not here during the time?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, please, Comsec, please the record if during that hearing, eto Alex ha, Mr. Tumang, Alex Tumang, balikan kita mamaya. Pero last lang to ha, punta ko muna si Mayor Tumang. Kasi hindi pwede po dalawang sinungaling dito. Isa sa inyo nagsisinungaling or my question, if you are present during that hearing, I will not hesitate to cite in contempt. Kasi you're now telling this committee that during that deliberation, hindi mo narinig, no, na ikaw ang itinuro ni Teddy Tumang. Kasi you were invited in this hearing because of that. You will never be invited in this committee hearing if not for the statement of your brother and Mr. Roy Gomez. Now, again, last na lang to po. Strike 2 ka. Tanungin kita ulit. Ikaw ba? Tama ba ang kapatid mo? O narinig mo ba during the hearing na ikaw ang tinuturo ng kapatid mo?
Mr. Chair,
Yes or no lang po?
yung sinasabi
Hindi, yes
po-
or no lang. Are you not present during that hearing?
Hindi ko na po matandaan kung present po
That's
ako.
the safest excuse. And that, if that is your answer, if I will find out, if this committee will find out that indeed you're lying, I will cite you in contempt. I will move to cite you in contempt. Papukulong kita, Quezon City Jail, kung gusto ni Chairman ako. Wag tayo dito maglulukuhan. Patay na yung tao na kapag-issue pa ng SPA. Of course, your name is not in the document. Well, sinasabi ko, your brother told this committee and Roy Gomez confirmed that you are the one who transacted it. Though, ang may SPA yung kapatid mo.
Mr. Chair, paki-detail nga po kung ano pong transaksyon na sinasabi.
Hindi ko na may
mo po
detalye,
dito
pinapacheck ko
sa-
pa ang record eh.
Aha.
Sinasabi ko lang,
Ang pagkaalam ko po, itong
no, hindi ang pagkaalam mo. Ang sinasabi ko, if narinig mo ba yon? Pumasok ba sa utak mo yon? Kasi during that hearing, you are present. No? You are present. Hindi mo dininay yung statement ng kapatid mo. And that is on record. And now you're telling me,
Mr. Chair, ano po ang sinabi, pagkasabi po ni ang former Mayor Teddy
ewan ko
Tumang?
sa'yo, kaya tatanungin ko siya.
Sa property
Hindi nga, ang sinasabi ko lang, that time, si Roy Gomez confirm, nandun ka. Sabi ni Mayor Tumang, ikaw.
Mr. Chair, ano pong kinonfirm nila sa akin?
I will check the record para
maalala
in
ko po.
toto. I will check the record para in toto. But, sinabi mo kanina, na you're denying. Of course, hindi ko naman sinabi na pangalan mo na sa SPA. Sinasabi ko lang na nung hearing na yon, nandito ka, sinabi ng kapatid mo, hindi mo dininay. Now you're denying that you are not part of that transaction. When in fact, you are not supposedly invited in this committee, if not that your brother told this committee na ikaw po kasali dun sa transaction na yon. Balakyan kita. Pinapacheck ko lang po yung record.
Yes, thank you.
Baka, anyway, Mr. Chairman, can we ask Mayor Tumang?
Please proceed. I think he's still on Zoom.
Mr. Tumang,
Yes po, Your Honor.
Oh.
Good afternoon.
Mr. Tumang, now, your brother is denying that he is not part of this transaction. And your name appears on record that you were given a special power of attorney by the spouses Bernardo Evangelista and Iris Tumang. Evangelista. Pero patay na po eh. Yung SPA binigay August 10, 2019. Pero patay na po yung dalawa eh. Oh, how can a dead person give you special power of attorney?
Ganito po, Your Honor.
At former Mayor Tumang, Mr. Tumang, just to remind you, you're under oath.
Yes po.
Okay, please proceed.
Yung pong lupang yan, yung pong unang hearing po, wala po yung kapatid ko dyan. Yung pong lupang yan, original, kaya sa kanya po talaga yan. Pero, ako po ang nabigyan ng SPA. Opo.
Ano? Pakiulit ka.
Yung lupa pong yan, sa kapatid ko po talaga yan.
Kapatid mo.
Yung pong lupa. Sa kapatid ko po.
Ba't dinideny niya ngayon?
Hindi niya po dinideny. Kaya sinabi po niya kanina, tinanungan ko po yung kapatid ko kung binibenta niya yung lupa.
Ganito na lang. So, ngayon,
Wala pong pangalan diyan yung kapatid ko. Ako po ang nakapag-transaction. Ako po ang binigyan ng SPA ng anak ni Bernardo at yung si Ines. Hindi ko po alam na patay na po yung kasi ang nag-issue po ng nagbigay po ng SPA na hindi ko po kasi talaga hindi namin po close relative po yan.
hindi, kasi ganito, Alex, nung first hearing, you were not present because you were not invited. But because your name appears with the statement of your brother, nasabi niya, kasi that time mayor siya eh. Diba? Now, sinabi niya na yung property na yun is owned by you. Eh, wala kang pangalan mo dito. But that property, sabi ng kapatid mo, is owned by you. Now, ang question ko, Mr. Tumang, di pa nga kita tinanong eh, bakit naka-zoom ka? Oh, but yung iba dito, nandito ngayon sa hearing, ba't ikaw nasa Zoom?
Masama po yung aking biglang tumaas po ang blood pressure ko.
That is an excuse by, not all, by most of the resource speaker that
kasi
will not cooperate in this hearing.
Diabetic po ako, Honor.
Paki-submit ng medical certificate.
Yes po, Your Honor. Kasi inano po ako ng anak ko, mataas po yung BP ko, hindi po ako nahihilo po ako, kaya hindi po ako nakadalo.
Dapat pumunta ka dito and let the medical service of this house check your medical situation. How can you produce a medical certificate on that day? Kapatid, anak mo yung nagsabi.
Opo, doktor po yung anak ko, Your Honor.
Yun na nga eh.
BP ko.
Hindi, Mr. Tumang, I want you to be present at the next hearing, physically present. Now, if you may problema ka, that excuse, Mr. Chairman, ang excuse niya is not acceptable to me. No? Anyway, now, Mr. Alex Tumang, you were invited in this hearing because your brother told this committee that the property is yours.
Your Honor, ako
Hello.
po yung nagpag-transaction kaya po nakapangalan sa akin yung SPA.
Hindi nga. Alex, ito sinasabi niya, ito Mr. Tumang, nasa yung SPA. May problema ang SPA, wala.
Lately po, nalaman namin na may problema po. Hindi namin po kasi alam na patay na po pala yung si Ines, tsaka si, ano ba yung pangalan ng isa?
Mayor, you're lying. Because the mayor, you're 2019, you're the mayor of Mexico, Pampanga.
Hindi po ako nagsisinungaling, Honor. Ang kausap po namin kasi yung anak niya si Erning. Sabi niya po, buhay po yung kanyang magulang. Hindi namin po ka-close sa relatives po namin, pero hindi namin po ka-close. Naniniwala po kami sa anak niya, sabi niya, buhay po yung kanyang magulang. Yun po ang pagkakalam namin.
Mayor will not born yesterday. Mayor ka pa naman. Diba? Mayor ka pa naman.
Hindi po ako nagsisinungaling, Your Honor.
Now, ito, yung statement mo nakaraan, sabi mo kanina, etong SPA, ikaw.
Opo.
Pero yung property, sa kapatid mo.
My brother.
Ayun na nga, Mr. Chairman inamin na ngayon ni Mayor na itong property na to, siyang may SPA, pero yung brother niya ang may-ari. Tama, Mr. Tumang?
Sa original po, siya po talagang may-ari, pero ako pong nagpag-transaction.
Hindi nga, ang punto nga dito is, ikaw may SPA, pero siya may-ari.
Opo.
Oh,
Yun po yung
Mr.
statement
Tumang,
ng-
Alex,
Mr.
Oh,
Chair.
do you want to deny the
Mr.
statement
Chair,
of your brother?
i-explain ko lang po para
Hindi,
maintindihan po
sandali.
ng committee
Dali,
nito.
dali. Yes or no lang? Do you deny the statement of your brother that this property that is involved with the SPA of your brother is yours?
Opo, totoo po yun. Sa akin po yung nasa left side na sinasabi ko. Yung sa kabila po, yung nasa right side, kay Carmelino Tuason po kung saan po nakuha po yung drugs.
Hindi, wag muna natin pag-usapan yung drugs. Kasi yung drugs, no? Etong dokumento, lumusutan to dahil sa droga, di ba? But, spurious yung dokumento. Involved ka.
Mr. Chair,
Dali.
kaya po naguguluhan
You are
po
not
yung committee.
recognized.
Hindi po kasi
Grace, stop
nalipat sa
talking,
pangalan
Mr.
ko.
Chairman. Mr. Chairman, the resource person is not yet recognized by the chairman and keep on talking.
1 minute suspension. May we ask the resource persons
Lumapit
to
ka nga dito.
please, when you reply to a question being asked of you, please refer to the chair at pabayaan po muna natin patapusin yung nagtatanong because you will be given, I will make sure that you will also be given time to reply. Sige po.
Mukha. Oh, Mr. Chairman, again, yes or no lang. Oh, do you confirm that
Session
this...
resumed.
Thank you.
Yes,
Sorry,
continue,
Chairman.
Congressman
Oh,
Patracio.
now, Mr. Alex Tumang, you confirm na that this property involved with a spurious document is indeed yours because that was the statement from your brother?
Yes, Mr. Chair. Sa akin po yan, yung property po. Pero hindi po nailipat sa aking pangalan.
Yeah. Of course, hindi na ilipat dahil wala ka nga dito eh. But Roy Gomez testified that you were part. And now your brother is telling this committee, and you confirm now, that this property, which involves the spurious document, is yours. Tama?
Tama po, Mr. Chair. Akin
Oh,
po yan.
wag muna natin pag-usapan yung warehouse. Ha? Because I have to check with the LRA if you're telling the truth. But what I'm telling, Mr. Chairman, Mayor Tumang, Mayor of Mexico, Pampanga, at the very least, no? Question of due diligence, Mr. Chairman, maniwala ba tayo doon na hindi niya alam, napatay na pala? Kapilido niya pa? At itong si Alex Tumang, hindi ko maintindihan kung ito, ano lang to eh. Kasi, alam mo, Mr. Chairman, ito, diretsahin kita, Mr. Chairman, Mr. Alex Tumang, your brother keep on insisting that this property is yours because this property never reflects in the SALN of your brother. Ganun lang po. Ganun lang po. To this honorable committee, to the members of this committee, to the chairman, Mr. Chairman, they keep on telling this committee. And now, Alex Tumang admitted na itong property involved na may problemang dokumento is his property. Because this property that was bought by Mr. former Mayor Teddy Tumang, wala po sa SALN niya to. Kaya ito ngayon yung problema, Mr. Chairman, may kaso si Mr. Tumang, former mayor, may kaso ka rin. And I will really personally recommend. Kasi yung dokumento, nagpapakita, etong property na to was bought by Mr. Teddy Tumang with an SPA na namatay na. Then, ito ngayon, dahil nagka-imbestiga sa committee ko, public accounts, nag-imbestiga dito, sa public accounts, malinaw po na this property never reflects on the SALN of Mayor Teddy Tumang. Kaya pinapaamin niya ngayon sa kapatid niya. Now, ang lusot ngayon, because this is a drug investigation, ang lusot ngayon that this property daw is not involved in drugs. But still, Mr. Alex Tumang, pag na-prove yan na indeed that property is not involved, but still, you have a case to face. Because you're part of the conspiracy, concealing public, supposedly public document, SALN of your brother. Tinatakpan mo po yung kapatid mo. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Sa ngayon, yun lang po muna. Kapitan, balikan na lang kita. Ha? May gusto pa ako ipa-confirm sa iyo.
Sige, thank you, Congressman
Chairman.
Paduano. The observation and the opinion of Congressman Paduano with respect to the property being the subject of this investigation will be dealt with and will probably be reflected in the committee report when we conclude the investigation in this committee. So